and welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, and
welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we will be sharing some views of females who have had serious psychological issues similar to what CMR has allegedly done to his stepdaughter. Like, share, subscribe and leave a comment if you wish. This CMR situation has opened a can of worms in regards to what many young people have experienced in their lives and how much it affects them in their everyday life. We need to stop this culture of victim blaming and concentrate on the perpetrator, which in this case is CMR and not the child in question. I am just hoping that the child in question will get the proper counseling that will be needed. Let's listen to the views of some of these people on Don Good's panel. If you want to view the full video, you will need to go over her page on TikTok.
I eat the kids' meal. I say, CMR eat the kids' meal. This a true or a false? So me said, I'm going to Google it. When me Google it, me see the dog, them book him to blood clot for eat the kids' meal. So, CMR, if you went to KFC, if you go buy a big deal until you go there, you find out, say, no big deal not there. You know, so when you just want a drinks and fries, me general, move on. Why you trouble the kids' meal, brother? Or attempt to buy the kids' meal? You know, look good. You check me and check. But this is a big problem in the Jamaican society, you know. 99% of them Jamaican money, you know, they love kids' meal. Because you see, two brothers set up and put the age of consent to 16. We get to find out, say, yo, the man them have no mercy with the little pitney them again. Because 16 are still little pitney, you know. I mean, I know we brother are who, and I think when they move the age of consent there to 16, you know, because there's no way a big man or a man could have in a right mind. I want to go to bed with the brain not develop yet. You check me and check. All if a little 16-year-old come offer you the blood clot meal, not take it because you know, say, yo, it's a baby. So you go tell a baby to go have a seat, go sit down somewhere else. You check me and check. But I don't know where society gone, I don't know where people are gone. But them say, Mr. CMR, them say innocent until proven guilty. You check me and check, I'm going to hope you're innocent, you know, me general. Because you say if you're guilty, because no man not supposed to eat the kids' meal. You check me and check, and that's the reason why I love America. Because you see in America, your kids them get the opportunity to grow and mature and become adult before they start do adult stuff with adult. You check me and check, because in America, you can't touch the kids' meal, none at all. You check me and check, but in Jamaica, the taxi man them, the artists them, all the was a parliament, all of them down there eat off a blood clot kids meal them and it no look good. It no look good. So Uncle Sam, I want you set up and fix up a one year, and I want all of them get the opportunity to come and foreign so they come up here and do this when they down at Jamaica, so they pay the blood clot fine.
I go in the shadows now. You understand me? But when Shani did that take him, you're bold enough to come out and state a defense and show say I saw you keep, man. Move your stinking self, Chrissy, your dog shit. Remember, CMR done mad already. Now, this is his habit, his attitude, his lifestyle. It's a theme fetish. A theme fetish and a your fetish. You are fostering his fetish. You and when I have pure girl picnic in the house around him, Chrissy, move your stinking self. Oh, Chrissy stink like it. No question asked. Chrissy stink like it. So all the girls out there, we are talking about CMR and this is not right and this is not right. You got there with CMR. You would not have been with him. None of the scandal out there. Maybe before the scandal, you would be with him. But like when the scandal is there, him this or once, him this or twice, him this or twice. If him can't them, me not put nothing past this dirty man and this dirty mother. And you make him stay so. If he come out and cry and show him up from day one, this couldn't happen. I tell you to say, if we not put a stop to it, like when Miss Triple tried though, it wouldn't happen. But Miss Triple not try. Miss Triple not trying. It start with you. Take away yourself from people who is embarrassing. People who are embarrassing, take away yourself. When I tell you that the scripture says, come from among them, be ye separated, and touch not the unclean things, you'll never believe me. See the woman of her husband, his fear husband, she sell him tuna. This is his fetish. A film fetish this is what him love. Him is not the weapon that is farming against Chrissy. He's not the weapon farming against Chrissy. Chrissy the weapon that farm against she and her picnic them. Every time you see a video, is she been taking care of everything? Show her fans. Remember some have to go off with themselves, you know. Remember say Queen teeth the shoes and it value $500 and she think I buy it, you know, and I teeth she teeth it. Remember.
That was 14. Yeah, grip. I'm going to kind of get nervous, but just bear with me. But I try to go fast, yeah? So, in that, no, you're 14 and you live in a one little district and everybody are teasing and them a laugh after you and things. So, I couldn't sleep. So, my mom sent me to live with my dad and my stepmother. And in the midst of that, yeah, my stepmother is a bright woman, Dan, intelligent. She's a nurse, top nurse, yeah? And when my mom trying to save me, because I'm the only child, and because I couldn't sleep, and you know, it's like mental health and them things. When you're 14 at Jamaica and them things happen, you don't know how to express it. You understand? So when she sent me to my father now, all him do is just take advantage and essay me. Yeah? The only good thing that happened to me is that I had a mom who listened to me. And so I went and I tell my mom, because of course, me not stay at the house. Because now she sent me to someone that she believes is going to be a safe space for her child. Yeah? But with a father. Yeah? And I dat him though. Yeah? So this is the funny thing, and I'm coming round to CMR and Chrissy, yeah. Now my mom moved me out and she tell my stepmom, yeah, and my stepmom got to him and asked him about it. Of course, him deny it. You understand? And that's my own father. But this is the funny thing. My stepmom, my father was a teacher in Jamaica, and he used to teach my stepmom, yeah. So I'm basically groom her, yeah. And in the midst of it, yeah, she ended up don't have no picnic for him and him about 12 of you with different women. Beat her up, this, that, whatever. But this is the funny thing, yeah. She was a nurse, she leave Jamaica and she go foreign. And she sent home all her money, yeah, and them have a nice house at St. Andrew. You see, Dan, you see when my mom tell the woman and you things as a woman and you realize what I'm do to him child, because you can't sleep with a man like that after that. Not my stepmom. She continue. And then one time when I talk to her, she said she knows that true me I say, but because she go America and invest so much money, she can't afford, yeah, to walk away. So the reason why I said that to you, yeah, is that with the CMR situation, if you talk to that lady, yeah, I can guarantee one of the things she maybe said to him when the last thing with the girl on the internet and thing, and she can't, because remember said she might be the woman, you know, but she had the head of the business there. You can't see the girl trying. So all she has said to him, so listen, you share me this time. If you go there one more time and you broke up the thing, like her sister was saying, I think it's Dina or something, yeah, is the end of it. Me not give you no food, no this and that, whatever, yeah. So when him decide to do, you see them look, you know the work when me do down. Me work in criminal law, and we deal with a lot of them cases, especially since COVID. Yeah. 75-year-old man who work at British Gas, meet a man online, which is a police officer, try exchange him $250 for sleep with him 4-year-old daughter. England, yeah. Anyway, moving on, yeah. Some nasty set of big grown people. But back to Chrissy and thing, I hope everybody realize where I'm going with this. You see, from my stepmother tell me, right now she left him now, but after him beat her up. You understand? But after that lady tell me that the reason why she can't walk away, although she knows that my father is a predator, yeah, is because she put too much money investment and she don't want to leave the house and the this and that. You understand? So when you see all of this scenario with with Christian thing, because what he was doing was grooming the girl. You understand? Every time him do and him touch, and you know it's so funny. Every client that I have, we have with father and this and that. Every time you hear about them, oh them flash them hand down on the shoulder and it the BREST. Every time you hear them say so. Every time. You understand? And let me tell you something, yeah? If you speak to that girl, she's aware of it, you understand? As somebody said, why the camera? The camera maybe she put in there to make sure so she can monitor her husband. You understand?
I'm back again.
Yeah.
I'm back again, you guys.
So when my traffic say, "Man, come down, come in, other people want to think that," but me can't tell you, say that lady. The reason why she got bail in because it's a business. Remember, it's an entity. You understand me? Her brand, and they get lots of brand as a family. Yeah. So it's hard. It's hard. Sometimes with people we put, and which is sad as a mother. And I'm glad my mother listened to me. You understand? And she moved fast because she knows that why would you tell such a lie on someone that you know is close to your family, whatever. And like a sister said, it's sad that that little girl is in the house and she didn't feel comfortable telling her mom because all she said, you know, she wants somebody to tell him to stop. You understand? And she couldn't go to her mom. Yeah? Some mothers, when you don't F on yourself, listen to no pitney, don't choose no man and business and money over no pitney because when them gone left you and no pitney on the have. You understand? And that me glad to my mom listen to me because only child she have and she have me would defend my mom to because she never and she send me she send me make sure so me get counseling this and that. You understand? And you know what's so sad? I'm gonna land right after me say this. About 2 months ago, me hear through the grapevine, so my father, him diagnosed with cancer. You know, I'm a person who is loving and empathetic and all of that. At the first time,
If you're not strong, you cannot overcome certain things. I've overcome so many things in my life. And sometimes it's just it makes me be the person I am, a better person, and it learns me so much stuff. And at the end of the day, I would want that for not even my worst enemy, because at the end of the day, that scar that you get, it will forever be a scar that you will never ever forget. And it's gonna be moment when she's gonna cry endlessly, because up until today I still cry endlessly because of this situation, because the way how it scarred me. And the thing is, when they found out and I was right in front of that person, look him right in the eye, and I said, yes, you did it. He said no, he said he did not do it, and his mother believed him that he didn't. The mother said that I'm the bad child. She never believed me. She believes her son over me, and I was just like 11, like 13, 14 when they found out. I was 11. So it's like you literally have your son here abusing me. You literally know that your son's abusing me, but yet still I'm that all type of name. And even though, let me tell you guys something, the way most of these men do it, do you know that most of them you fall in love with them?
I know.
Personally, I'm not believe it when I say you will, because at the age of 11, that's all you know. You know nothing else. So you will literally, and some of them are so obsessed with you that wherever, because even when I leave and went back to my country, the way how that person was so obsessed, he believing and coming to my country.
Thank you, Tommy.
And I had to let my big sister know. I'm like, he keeps coming. These male, trust me, CMR know what he was doing. He know what he was up for. And I think, trust me, I blame the mom too.
Yeah,
because I blame you, girl. Because you make it look like your relationship on the internet is
Thank
all
you
that
guys.
with your
One of you
kids.
say like, come on, keep on going. Thank you very much.
You
Thank
make
you,
it look
sister.
like the relationship
Thank you
you have
guys.
with your kids, especially that big one, is 100% when it's not. You're selling lies.
I'm gonna
Cause
tell you
if
something.
I
You see, at first, yeah, when everybody did that blame Chrissy, I was like, "Oh God, get a break." Hey, you see when me find, you see when me
no,
find out, you see when
no.
me 1 second, you see when me find out, say Chrissy got bail the man. It done this stuff for me and Chrissy right this time. I don't know Chrissy from nowhere because you get
But
up and you go blame the man. You run go bail the man. After what your daughter say the man do. Like that's them feel like say it never did I go come out in the public, and clearly them feel like it never did I go come out in the public. Or else there's no way should have be that the Lulu. You understand? Forget up and run go courthouse go be able the man who abuse your daughter. Should that something is that mean to say there's a lot of things that
no.
need unfolding right now. There's a lot of things that's not.
Guess
There's
what?
a lot.
Obviously, she put money over the kid.
Yeah, that is it.
She put her money over her child. How can you? I would not bail him.
1 minute, Kerry. Listen, guys. You know that there's people waiting in the lobby and also people in the box. So can we just make it
Okay,
short
no
and
problem.
spicy
Yes.
so other person can get
Oh
a
yeah,
chance to
I'm
say
done.
their piece?
Good night, everyone. Good night.
1 minute, everybody. Sharon, I come before you, then you come, good girl. 1 minute. Just one more minute at your turn. All right. Hello, Sharon. Welcome to the panel.
Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. All right, all right. I am here just to put in my little 2 cents into this thing here because I'm not really here to blame Chrissy. Because I am 59 years old and I have been molested in 4 different homes, inside and outside of the homes, because I'm from homes to home. I was from home to home. I didn't have any parents. My mom, friend gave me away and all of that, and so like a kitten. So what may I say? You see, a child molester, me now go say, Chrissy not forget some form of blame because sometimes if you know,
maybe if we can use a child S. Use a child S.
Yes.
I know because of TikTok. People want to come up, just use a child S. We understand.
Got you. When I because I experienced this thing so much, you see, I realized that these men, and there's a lot of men is like this. Them have a spirit on them. They will act in the house like they are this decent man. It is hard if you know go through it and know they say them touch you already, and from them touch you one time you are so panicked. It's just a matter of time before them begin to penetrate, and the wife will take up for them because based upon how they are perfect and based upon how they act around the wife will believe them. No, my part of this whole thing, no, what have taken place. I am saying, how could you in the home and not pick up on anything? You understand me? And then I go back and I was thinking, I said, no one picked up in the homes that I was in. When I get messed up, no one noticed that I withdraw. No one noticed that I was always trembling when I remember, I don't know one of them, You understand me? And I could not say nothing to the wives in the home. Even when I went to school, I could not say anything to the teacher. I did not know what to say. I was just sitting there in the classroom every day. I cannot learn. No, I am 59 years old and I'm still broken. I'm still damaged. I cannot keep a relationship because I have 2 girls and 1 boy. And I raise a girl and a boy, 2 boys that is not mine. And I meet good men, but I have a problem. Because of how I have to guard my kids, I continue to live alone. The relationship that I was in, that I remember, I would warn that man. I was at Igla downtown Kingston. I would have tell that man there's something if he never touch my children them. And I did not know if he would, but I had to warn him and tell him what I would do because I have to go and hustle. No, this trauma live with me. I never get counseling, but it never left me. And I am a woman of God. I am anointed, but I am broken.
Jesus.
Sometimes when I cry, I feel it for this young little girl, because you see when I hear the news, my heart races so hard it could So all they could think is a drum beating because it does bring back.
Memories.
You know what kept me from certain things for not go turn go and all kind of something. I grew up shy because I didn't have any self-esteem. You can just imagine being messed with from your 7 and from four different homes and neighbors. 4 different homes and 2 neighbors. You can just imagine. Your husband over there, so big old man, and children, sister. You're traumatized, you know, no sense and all of them look at something because of what you go through. Messed up.
That's so heartbreaking.
I can't even. Me meet good man, you know. Me meet good man, you know, and run them because I'm a ways, you know. Because when me withdrawn, I was in a serious relationship where it could have been, you know, good, but the man say it's like he's a man in the way. Because when me withdraw, you can't touch me, me will lick you, me will lick you, me will just get up and cuss you. You know? And I call myself an introvert. I live alone in a big house. Create fear, full of fear. Messed up.
I always remember that God heals, but try and get some counseling, my darling.
Yes, I'm going to see with somebody because I never want to, because I feel like, you know, I will be okay.
Yeah.
But I realize not so now, so even
Because this is not about Chrissy nor CMR. People keep on saying people bashing Chrissy. No one bashing Chrissy. It's not about Chrissy. Chrissy, the child, what I heard someone come on a platform and say they are a family member of Chrissy's, right? And this thing happened with the little girl when CMR took them to Jamaica. All kids, all 4 children, they took them to Jamaica and it happened the first time there. And when it happened, the little girl got to her mother, but her mother shunned her off. That's what a family member said. Her mother shunned her off. Anyways, when they came back to America now, it happened again. And the little girl tried to talk to her, but you know, she noticed Chrissy sometimes she have this attitude where she talk to the man. So the little girl confide in Chrissy auntie and tell her what's going on. So you want to tell me, say the sister, no go tell Chrissy, say, boy, check your daughter because your husband a play with her and mess around with her. You want to tell me that?
So family member already know about this?
Yes, she already knew. But because she want to protect her brand, it's all about money.
You see them story I come to bump up.
It's all about money and fame.
So that the 1 minute body. 1 minute the body. So that means when we there here, we have said maybe the girl know and it look like she know because she must know. That means the girl know about it long time. That means the girl know about it long time, so the boy had trouble her
She knew about it. She knew of it. The little girl now tell this car when she say her mother na piano mind. So what? Why the camera would in the little girl room? Just check your ratio. A big girl like that. Why camera? So she aware of it, so they put a camera in.
So watch
in the room. Why? You understand? Yes. But what happened now? The guy, you remember he did do a blogging once when he in the studio and say you have to put a camera in the studio. That's if nobody they break in. You know why dirty boy do have a camera they watch a girl in the room and not going go catch no pit in the play with no self. I lie the dirty boy I tell. He's a walking demon and as a mother.
What do you mean by she didn't know? What do you mean by she didn't know? If you was a mother and sister, your child look with John, you know must know say something going with your pitney. Oh, some of them mother you behave like this, man. Some of them mother come on now, people, man.
Exactly, Dan. Them a big woman and they just take up for this woman. Me don't know what. You see what me notice on the app? You see from one says a big TikToker or you is this big person, they normalize peer foolishness on the app and make the people them should. Yes, you say if it was a small somebody, they would have run with it and believe it. Why them think say Chrissy no know? Why them believe say CMR no do this? This man is a evil bastard walking around. Because from day one when he went with that little 16-year-old and Shani, because the girl even did pregnant.
First, what you mean by be a speculation? Pop Skull. Go and read the report, then you come back and you talk to me over here. So because people were there on the live and people were in our box, them go and read the report. People were on even my live last night. This is something that we are talking about, what we know.
This is no speculation. Report. It's in the report. And the little girl not tell no lie. Me not understand why the abuser and the victim have to be victimized. Nobody now believe them. Why people not? Because they're young, because they're children, and they can't speak for themselves. Well, ladies, it's about time we pay more attention to our daughters, our grandchildren, our little children. Be the speaker for them, because they cannot speak up for themselves. Yes. And I applaud her, and I'm very proud of her to go out there and let the teacher know what's going on at home with her, because she didn't want any problem at home either. If you see the report, what she say, she don't want, he's a good man, he don't want no problem, but you want somebody to tell him, say it's not nice to touch somebody. Why would a big grown-ass man want to pull on a little girl underwear? Why you ain't go do? What was your intention? Even if the girl when they play with herself, what that have to do?
The little girl already when him touch her the 2 times.
Exactly, done it already. All of that.
Exactly. The girl already.
Any game can play.
Why you think the little girl
Chrissy just did it about this dirty man.
Dirty boy. The man touch her up.
Him is a dirty man. Dirty man. Yes, from the time when you go with that and she find out. Why take back a man like that? I know say you have one child and I also want to feel him. You see any man where you have, and from once he go for a little teenager, in we grip. From once you see him go for teenager, in we grip. You understand? That's my take on it. I don't want to hold up the podium, but that girl know everything what they want. She's no innocent. The mother knew. So people must stop the watch how she dress and how she conduct herself. Then something they are fake. I tell me lie lifestyle them there. They not going with nothing at home. Tell me lie. Most of people down there, better life than them. You hear me? It's all about money fishy and business over your picnic. And there's no way you should have put money and business over your child. Your child come first.
Your child come first. Then are rich. Then go ahead. Then get public. This way they forget them all.
This work, you hardly have time to stay with your kids. And I have a sister who didn't have any children. And she wanted them to come and stay with her. So they were babies. Like one of them was like 2 and the other one was like 4. But because they didn't have children, the children actually call my sister mommy and call the husband daddy. So they live with them for years. They live with them, went through primary school, went through high school. Was in the process of going to high school.
So, but I really the iPad, my darling, a lot of noise coming through your background.
Alright, I don't know. Alright, so you're hearing me any better now?
Yeah,
is it any better now?
Yeah.
So what happened is I realized that she wouldn't allow them to come and spend time with us. She wouldn't allow them to go anywhere. But the man, like they would tell me that when they're in the house and they're watching TV, and if they're watching any scenario where man do that to kids, the man would be like, them the man they sitting for cut off and ray and stuff like that. And in the middle of that, she would like in scenarios like that, she would say, "Oh, if you tell me if anybody had trouble, if you no go there, anybody had trouble, whatever. Anybody ever had trouble, no?" And then would I say, no, mommy. But it happened because she is such a manipulator. She some people will not have children. Some people will not have children. I always say, it's not everybody who don't have children you're supposed to give your children to, because God know why him don't let them have any.
That's true.
She was very abusive, meaning like physically abused them. So they were actually afraid of her. So what happened is now the man has always been their saviors. Like when she want to murder them, or when she want to beat them, the man always run.
Analyze that.
Me just figure. So that's why Richard. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so like when she want to do that now, the man always jump in and start quarrel with her and say, "Let me pity them alone, man." Whatever. So it happened that when they were going to high school now, one time there was a fallout between she and brother. So the kids them, she sent the kids them down here. Send the kids them to me for money. So me and her had an argument on the phone. Because I said to her, "Oh, you send them down here, say, me fi whatever, and you know send them go school, and you know send them uniform, whatever." So when me said that to her now, she start cuss bad word. So me no cuss with her, cause me always say I'm a bigger sister, so me not go argue with her, and because she always going like a she are the boss in the family, you know, the type of person we're controlling. So when me do know, me decently give it to her. I said, "Look here, I am not going to have this conversation with you. You are my elder sister and you are calling me and you are in this attitude." I mean, me tell her off decently. The way me tell her off decently, the kids were so amazed, because in the family, them always see she as a bully and everybody afraid of her. Even my brother, although I'm a police, afraid of her. So when they see me as a little sister now stand up towards her, them see something different in me, because a long time they wanted to say something to somebody, but they never know who to tell. Because she are like, she run the family. Everything in my family, she always want to have the last and control and manipulate and whatever. Yeah. So me say them come to me now and they say, "Auntie, I know I want to tell you something." So me say, "Come man, we talk." And when the people then tell me in details the stuff them will happen, believe me weep like a baby. Me weep like a baby when me hear. So me call my brother same time.
Is that you have got family member that was touched?
Yeah man, me too niece them man. I may tell you say it. Huh?
You're trying to say you've got family member that was
say it again?
So you're trying to tell us that you've got family members that was
me too. Yeah man, me two niece, I mean on one time, I mean it's right through their life from them a baby, from them about 2-year-old. Yeah, and then guess what now? And you know how bad it is? Even now, even though they're adults, them still not get over it. Even them can't keep a good relationship. One of them, when one of them, the husband said to me, say, "Boy, him don't know what to do," because them even divorced now, because the man say even sometime in touch her, sometime in a night she have nightmare. If in touch her, she just like she get wild and like she want to fight him off like I want. So we can't tell anybody said you see men who do then something there. And
so
then
what did you do? What did you do to help her?
Alright. So you see when she tell me now, I call my sister and I say, "I want to have a talk with you. I want you come. I want you come to my house." Your niece them, although they call her mommy, they want to talk to you. They want to by now we know like me decide to them not going back there. They not go back there. Me call my brother, and my brother want arrange with man to go analyze them. And me I say no, me no want no blood on your shoulder. We not go take the route there. You understand me? So me call her and I say, "Alright, you need to come because we want to talk to you." So when they come now, me like stay one side and make the girl them talk to her and I tell her what go on. So me hear when she start bawl, so me I think say, well then at least she got remorseful and whatever.
Yeah.
She go up and then she start call and cuss out the people them and say a lie them a tell and this and that, and then wicked a tell lie upon the man, and now the man always a take care of the man whatever.
Yeah,
and you know the funny thing about it, my sister died and
those things happen in Jamaica.
Let me tell you something. She dead and she dead.
Mothers do these type of things. And mother, when this lady is trying to tell her, no, she stop it. Listen to her children them. Stop it, because she don't want her life to mash up. One thing, so the pretty them up
and the funniest thing,
we have to stop.
and the funniest thing about it is, you know the funniest thing about it is she dead. The man cast her for dead because the man abused her and cast her for dead. Yeah, unalive. Sorry about that, unalive. And she unalive, and me and her not talk. Cause from the incident happen, me not talk to her because me make she know say, look here, you say from you disown that, because me say who wouldn't tell lie? Which girl wouldn't tell lie? Say somebody would then call them daddy. Somebody wouldn't call them daddy, trouble them. I mean, right through them, the bigger sister never knows. Say, you know, the funniest thing, the bigger sister never knows it either happened to the little sister because the man is so strategic. When he want to do it to the little sister, he send the bigger sister to go stop. You understand me? And when the bigger sister knows that happened to her little sister, it affect her. Because she live overseas, and me I tell her say it makes she reach in a kind of depression way. Because eventually the mother now take them, you know. And me I tell you say the pitney then go in a breed of depression because the bigger one right through her years she feel guilty say as she make it happen to the little one. Because she shouldn't talk, she shouldn't say something when it happened to her. So me can't say to anybody say look here, as something this way are going right around the spread. People need to do better. Believe your pitney them when they tell you.
Exactly.
So thank you guys. Thank you guys for